Hi, I'm Peter Haddock, and come inside my Sanispace Solar very special place, because this is an eco-friendly toilet, folks. And that means one of two things. Firstly, we've got solar panels on the roof. If it does get really, really cold though, we do have a Webasto powered diesel heater here. We've got the obvious sink that we need here. There's plenty of space and room. And where I'm actually stood on is the waste tank below me. So folks, we've got to go and see why this is so important. We can't see upstairs on the roof, but the solar panels are there, and I will show them because I've put a drone up. But follow me out here, folks, because one, I love the branding of this. So you can imagine this coming onto a job site, but also coming onto a festival, because it is the eco-friendly Loo, which is 100% solar powered. Now follow me through here, because this is the important bit. As we come round to this area here, this is where it all happens. So the solar system is here, battery there. Now, I have been told with testing that this can last to up to 25 days, only if you're not a heavy user, say up to 25 times a day on the solar. But from September to March, it's been tested out there, and this can run on its own in an eco-friendly way. There's a diesel tank if you do need that heater in the winter. And also, folks, if you're just having it for a festival for a few days, there's a charging option there so that you can literally just plug it in, then take it to the festival. You have the solar and stuff as well. So big tank here again for the portable water. And so folks, what I love, and this is the Cabintec system here, what I love about this is an eco-friendly loo is what we should all be going on in the future. We talk about welfare, but this is also welfare for the planet, folks. So if you want to go a little bit eco-friendly with your loo, call the Cabintec team. Ta-da!